Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous resin tea light holder with these lovely handmade paper flowers. And can you see the beautiful shine on this resin tea light holder? This is completely handmade and super duper easy to make. Also I will show you how to make these flower using hand cut techniques. So let's get started. So here I am taking my measuring scale. This is a battery operated scale or weighing machine, and I am just putting one plastic glass on this. We have to set this as a 0 before pouring the resin. So here I am first pouring hardener, and this is by Little Birdie. So the ratio of the hardener and resin is 1:2 for the Little Birdie resin. So if you are taking 1.4 hardener, then you should take 2 points for resin. So here I have taken 5 points for hardener, that's why I am taking 10 points for resin. So in total we need 15 points, and it's perfect. Now I will just mix everything very well using one plastic spoon. You can also use ice cream stick. We need to stir this for 2 to 3 minutes and keep it aside for some time. Now here I am taking orange color pigment by Little Birdie. This is the resin pigment paste, and I am going to pour some of the clear resin into this which we have created. So I am just adding 2 spoons of clear resin into this, and we have to mix it thoroughly till it changes the color of the clear resin to the orange. For the mixing I am using silicone stick. And then I am taking one more pigment called ivory, again by Little Birdie. So I am pouring 2 tablespoons of clear resin into this too and mixing it very well. So mixtures are ready. Now here I am taking this beautiful mold in square shape. I got this from local store, and I have also given link in description box if you want to purchase the same. And in one corner I will pour this ivory resin diagonally like this in both the corners, and remaining 2 corners I will fill with orange resin. Again I am pouring little bit of ivory. And then I am just adding some gold flakes into remaining clear resin. Mixing it very well again, and then I will just simply pour it on top of this. So the texturing part is done. Now I have prepared some more clear resin which is mixed with gold flakes, and I am just filling it completely till the top. Now allow it to dry completely for 24 to 48 hours depending on weather, and then we will unmold it. So I have kept it for 48 hours because this is the rainy season and we have to be little careful. Now I'm just unmolding it, and it's quite hard now, so it's very easy to unmold now. And ta-da! Can you see how beautifully it has come? Every texture is looking very nice, which we have created. I'm just loving it. So the resin tea light is ready. Now I will just add one MDF panel in the bottom of this just to decorate it. So here I have this MDF panel which is having 3 mm thickness, and I will just share the measurements. It measures 9 by 8 centimeters. And first I am going to color this from both the sides using yellow and red color. So in short, I am making orange shade. I don't have orange chalk paint, so I am just mixing yellow and red to make the orange shade, which will match with our resin tea light holder. Like this, allow it to dry. Then I am taking the top cover, which is just fitting perfectly on the MDF base, and I am coloring this with gold acrylic color. You can also use gold chalk paint. I got this wooden base ready-made. Nowadays there are many suppliers who sell these kind of frames and bases, and this is the festive season, so you will get it very easily from any craft store or from any supplier. Now I'm just going to stick my top design with the base. Like this. Then I'm taking my resin tea light holder, and using Archival silicone glue I'm going to stick this with the base. Since this is the resin, so we have to use any permanent and very nice adhesive to stick with the MDF. Now push it and allow it to dry for a few hours. Then here I am taking one paper circle which is having 3 cm diameter. I am just folding it from the center like this from both the sides. So we have 4 corners. Now I am just cutting these 4 corners towards the center a little bit. Here I am taking 120 GSM soft floral oriental paper by Dress My Craft to make the flower. So I have just divided this in 4 equal parts. Now between each part I am making one slit more. So in total we have 8 slits. Now for each part I am going to shape it as a petal. So first I am shaping it from right side, and then I will shape it from left side. And the super cute flower is ready. Now it's time to color this. So I'm just taking one plastic bag in the bottom and using dark orange Archival ink. I'm coloring exactly in the center using blending brush. You can also use acrylic colors instead of Archival inks. Then I'm just spraying little water on top of the flower, soaking it with tissue paper. Then I am taking embossing pad and using small size groove golf tool from backside. I am just shaping each petal. Now rotate the flower and using ball tool just pinch in the center, and the super cute flower is ready. Allow it to dry. So similarly I have prepared 2 more flowers. So for one big flower we need 3 layers. Now I'm just joining all 3 layers together and making one big flower. And for the center of the flower I am using 10 mm pearl. And the super cute flower is ready. In the same way I have prepared one more big flower and 4 small flowers. For the smaller flower I have used 2.5 cm diameter. And also I have prepared some leaves, just cut it, colored it and shaped it using groove golf tool. So leaves and flowers are ready. Now taking back my tea light holder and it fixed permanently. Now I will just decorate it from left and right sides using my handmade flowers and leaves. I also have some golden color foliage, so I will just tuck it between the flowers wherever required, and in the same way I will repeat on left side. So after adding flowers on both the sides, the beautiful resin tea light holder is ready. It's looking absolutely amazing and just like a ready-made one. Very nice color combination. Now I'm just adding my battery operated tea light inside this. Since this is the resin made, so you can put candle tea light also, which is flammable, or you don't need to worry about the flame. You can simply use any tea light. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Happy Diwali. See you next time. Bye bye.